Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. Thank you for joining me today in our today's discussion. I would like to discuss to you about look and look like. At the end of this video, every student is required to make a sentence with look and look like. So let's move on to the next slide and discuss how to use and how to construct the sentence. The first topic is look. When you want to make a sentence with look, here is followed by adjective. When look and adjective is pair, it's often used to make a comment about someone's appearance. The example are, you look well. It means the sentence, you look healthy. You look great means you look really good in those clothes, or you look very healthy. She looks lovely in red. It means the color of red really suits her. They look happy. Jack looks tired. The pizza looks delicious. The underlined sentence is an example of adjective. Well, great, lovely, happy, tired, and delicious. There are a lot of examples of adjective sentence in the internet, so please make sure you already learn about other example of adjective word. The formula to construct the sentences here in the table, I divide it into two types. If you want to use the subject I, you, we, they, followed by look and followed by adjective. But when you want to use look with the subject he, she, it, don't forget you have to add s in looks and followed by adjective. To remind you again, adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Or in bahasa Indonesia, adjective means kata sifat. The second topic is looks like and followed by noun. When you pair the word, means you want to describe how something is similar or appears by the way it looks. Here are the example of the sentences. Number 1, she looks like her age. It means her appearance shows her age. Number 2, an actor who really looked like the part. The sentence means the actor whose appearance matches the appearance character is supposed to have. Or in other form of sentences, here are the example with the dialogue. So the speaker A say, so tell me, what does Sarah's new boyfriend look like? And speaker B answer, he's tall, dark, and handsome. He looks a lot like some Hollywood movie star. And the last example is it looks like a graduation ceremony. So here in 4 example of sentences, after looks like, it always follow with noun. Number 1, noun here is age. Number 2, the noun is the part. Number 3, the noun here is Hollywood movie star. And the last example, the noun here is graduation ceremony. When you want to make sentence with look like, here in the table I divided into 2 types. When you want to use subject I, you, we, they, followed by look like and followed by noun. But if you use the subject he, she, it, don't forget to add s in looks like and follow by noun. To remind you again, noun is a word that refers to a thing. For example, here book, a person, an animal. It can be a cat, a dog, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Now, let's practice together with this example of sentences. Number 1, Peter, are you alright? You blah 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 just seen a ghost. So after you, we have to decide which one is the perfect answer. Look, looks, look like, or looks like. Here we can see a ghost is categorized as a noun. So the correct answer is look like. Because the subject is you, we do not need s in look. Again, the answer is Peter, are you alright? You look like you've just seen a ghost. Number 2, I think John really blah 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 his brother. They're not twins, but I can tell them apart. Here, after the blank space is followed with noun. His brother is an example of noun. So the correct answer is looks like, because the subject is John. So I think John really looks like his brother. Number 3, my little daughter always says she's blah 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 a princess. A princess is a noun also. And the subject here is she. So the correct answer is looks like. My little daughter always say she looks like a princess. And the last example, you is the subject. Tired. Tired here is an example of adjective. So after the subject you, we need to add look. We don't need s with the subject you. You look tired. What's the matter? That's all about the explanation of look and look like. Don't forget, here in our discussion, we use look followed by adjective. Please search again what are other example of adjective. And the second topic is we use look like followed by noun. And please make sure you understand what are other types of noun. At the end of this tutorial, every student must be able to differentiate when to use look and when to use look like, along with the subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So if you want to use the subject he, she, it, don't forget to add s in looks or in looks alike. For any further questions, you can ask and write it in the forum. Thank you so much for your attention, and I see you next time.